Welcome back to our usual laughing system. Nothing is eternal, but they say some who believe it as eternal. If a plate is broken, you can refix it, but not the previous shape. If you don't handle with care, even love is fragile. A mother and a son met once, and the son asked, "Are these people afraid of corona? It is why they wear masks." Mother said, "Nonsense. They wear masks because they are afraid of the police." A child once asked, "How does coronavirus enter the body?" The mother said, "It is through your nose. When you breathe in, it enters your lungs and damages them." Then, mother, it is very easy to avoid this COVID-19. How? Then you have to breathe through your mouth and take in. And then breathe out with your nose. Then this problem does not occur. Next one. Roshan was a boy who was greatly in love with a girl called Laura. They lived close by, and they meet constantly. One day, when Roshan went to see Laura, she was very unhappy. Then he asked, "Sister, why are you so unhappy?" Then she said that previous day she went to the town and she was warned by the police for not wearing a mask. Then Roshan said, "Don't worry, within 1 hour I will bring you one." So he ran home and took one from father's packet and entered his room and took the box of watercolors and painted it with nose, eyes, mouth and all that necessary. Then he went back to Laura's house to give it. But he did not give it to her. He told, "Sister, I will put it on your face." So he took out the mask and put it and asked her to close her eyes. Then she closed her eyes and he put it on. And hearing this sound, Laura's mother and father peeped into the room, and they broke into laughter, and people who were passing by even wanted to see what it was, and they too came into the house. It was because he had drawn a moustache in the mask. He had done it accidentally, but people all began to laugh. So Roshan ran up and dragged the mask away and went home and brought a new one. Since then, Laura was ashamed to step out of the house. For months she remained at home, and even if she go out, the friends used to ask, "Where is your mustache?" Son and mother. Son asked mother if there is a war in this country. She asked why. "I see army, police, air force, navy and all those members on the roads. But they are without guns. So why are they in the town?" She said that they want to check up the people who are not keeping to the laws of the government regarding COVID-19. So he asked, "What do you think, how many people may have arrested by this time?" "I think it is about 20,000. "So do you think all the 20,000 were arrested because of breaking the laws of COVID-19? "No, I think it is about 10,000. "Then what about the other 10,000? "I think the other 10,000 was arrested because they intentionally broke the laws as they did not have anything to eat at home."